PTE Listening, fill in the blanks, step by step. If you want to score 65, 79, or even 90 in PTE, then this video is extremely important for you. Today, I'll explain PTE Listening, fill in the blanks, step by step, in very simple language, so even beginners can understand and apply it in the real exam. So make sure you watch till the end. What is listening, fill in the blanks? In PTE Listening, fill in the blanks, you'll listen to an audio only once, and on your screen, you'll see a paragraph with some missing words. Your task is very simple. Listen carefully and type the exact missing words. This task checks your listening skills, your spelling, and your ability to understand academic English. Important exam facts. Audio plays only one time, usually 2 to 3 questions. Every correct word gives you marks. Wrong spelling equals 0 score for that blank. Step-by-step strategy. Step 1. Read before listening. Before the audio starts, you will get a few seconds. Quickly read the sentence and look at words before the blank, words after the blank. Try to guess. Is the missing word a noun, verb, adjective, or plural word? Step 2. Listen for meaning. Now, when the audio starts, don't listen word by word. Listen for the overall meaning of the sentence. Very often, the speaker will paraphrase the same idea. The words in audio may not be exactly the same as the sentence, but the meaning will match. So, focus on understanding, not memorizing. Step 3. Type while listening. As soon as you hear the answer, type it immediately. If you miss one blank, don't panic. Move on to the next one. Step 4. Grammar check. Always check grammar. Singular or plural, verb tense, articles like an, the. Many students lose marks because of small grammar mistakes. One small s can change your score. Step 5. Be careful of traps. PTE loves traps. Be careful of similar sounding words like affect and effect. Fast pronunciation. Extra information before the blank. Like the video and subscribe for more listening hacks. Website PTE Hub.